Is your Maytag 4000 series washer refusing to start? The most common culprits are related to the door lock mechanism, control board glitches, or specific error codes. The washer is designed not to start if the door lock isn't properly engaged for safety reasons. The door lock mechanism is the most frequent cause. If the latch is stuck, worn, or has debris, the washer senses it's not secure and won't start to prevent water leakage. Control board glitches can cause temporary malfunctions. These are often software related and can be cleared with a simple reset. Specific error codes like F5E1 for door lock failure or F7E1 for motor control issues provide clues about what's wrong and guide the repair process. These issues are common in the aging Maytag 4000 series, but most can be diagnosed and fixed with basic troubleshooting steps. First, inspect the door lock for any visible obstructions or damage. Try gently pushing the door closed to ensure the latch engages fully. If the lock seems stuck, try unplugging the washer for 5 to 10 minutes to reset it. You can also manually engage the lock to see if it clicks. If it does, this will help to narrow down the root cause. A simple control reset can often resolve minor software glitches preventing the washer from starting. First, unplug the machine for at least 1 minute to clear any temporary power issues. Then, press and hold the Start/Pause button for 3 to 5 seconds while it's still unplugged. This clears temporary errors without needing any tools. Plug it back in and try starting a cycle. This simple reset often fixes the issue and allows the washer to operate normally. Error codes provide valuable clues about the problem. F5E1 typically indicates a door lock failure, meaning the latch isn't sensing closure. F7E1 usually points to a motor control issue. Consult your owner's manual or the Maytag app for a complete list of error codes and their corresponding solutions. If the door lock error code F5E1 persists after performing a reset, you may need to replace the door lock switch assembly. Safety is crucial. Always unplug the washer from the power outlet before attempting any repairs to avoid electrical shock. You'll need a screwdriver and the replacement door lock switch. The part number is W11393685, which you can find online for around $20 to $50. First, open the washer door. Then remove the screws from the top panel, tilt it back, and lift it off to access the internal components. Locate the door lock switch on the door frame. Disconnect the wire harness, remove any securing screws, and carefully pull out the old switch. Install the new switch by inserting it into position, securing it with screws, and reconnecting the wire harness. Reassemble the washer by replacing the top panel and securing the screws. Plug it back in, close the door, and test that the lock engages properly. For step-by-step visual guidance, search for Maytag 4000 door lock replacement videos on platforms like YouTube. If the control reset and door lock check don't solve the problem, the issue might be with the control board itself. Inspect the board for any signs of damage or corrosion. Look for burn marks, corroded connectors, loose wires, or swollen capacitors. Due to global semiconductor shortages, replacement parts may be delayed or more expensive. Replacing the control board may be necessary, but this is often best left to a professional. Preventative maintenance is key to extending your Maytag 4000 washer's life. Start with regular maintenance routines to keep your washer running smoothly. Clean the door seal regularly to prevent mold and mildew buildup. Regularly inspect hoses for signs of wear or leaks to prevent water damage. Perform annual control resets to clear potential error codes and maintain optimal performance. Consider replacing hoses every 5 years as a preventative measure for safety and reliability. If you've tried the previous steps and your washer still won't start, it's time to call a qualified appliance repair technician. They can diagnose more complex issues and perform repairs safely. Professionals have the tools and expertise to handle electrical faults, control board replacements, and safety checks. They can ensure the repair is done safely and won't cause further damage. Given the age of the Maytag 4000 series, you might also consider upgrading to a newer, more energy-efficient model with smart features. Modern washers offer better performance, lower energy costs, and advanced diagnostics. Newer models include smart features like remote monitoring, self-diagnostics, and predictive maintenance. They can alert you to issues before they become major problems, saving time and money in the long run. Upgrading can future-proof your laundry routine with better efficiency and reliability.